Good evening. This is second part of NPTEL assignment. So we have given solve for the member forces in the trust shown in figure below. What are the forces in? So we require that forces in which members? So we have AC, CD and AD. So now we will start with, we will first consider joint D. Why we have considered joint D? Because we have two unknowns. One that is force in DA, another force in CD. Now you can see in X direction, we have only force in FDA. And therefore, if we will apply summation Fx0, then you will get FDA equal to 0. So force in member DA, we have 0. Now, if we will apply summation Fy0, and we have force in this member becomes 10 kilonewton, and this we have FCD. So we have FCD 10 kilonewton, and as it is positive, so we have plus. So FCD, we have 10 kilonewton, value is plus, so tensile. Now switch over to the second joint, C joint. Here we have two unknowns, CA and CB. So now CD we have calculated. We have value 10 kilonewton. And we are interested to find value in FCA. Always consider tensile away from the joint. And this is FCB. So now unknown in Y direction is FCA. So we will apply summation F. So this angle we have calculated, which is tan inverse of 2 divided by 1.5. Tan inverse 2 divided by 1.5. And we will get this value 53.13. Now apply Fy0. So now we have this will be minus 10 and this will be minus FCA sine 53.13. So minus 10 minus sine 53.13 equal to 0. And if you calculate, we have FCA minus 12.5 kilonewton. Now apply Fx0. So now you can have Fx0. So this is minus 5. We have plus FCA, that is cos 53.53, and then we have plus FCB. So Fx0. So FCA cos 53.53 minus 5 plus FCB. Now FCA is minus, and if we will put values, then you will get this value of this as minus 7.5. So this minus 7.5 minus 5 minus 12.5 goes on right side, becomes plus 7.5. So FCB, we have tensile. So I will plot FCB tensile as it is plus, and then we have FCA as minus. So we have this as compression. So FCA 12.5 kilonewton. Now we have to find at B. Now I will consider joint B. So now you can see we have force in this member is 12.5. Now we have to find in this. Now you see we have two reactions over there. So now 10 kilonewton, here we have only one reaction which will be horizontal direction. And here we have two reactions. One will be horizontal, another will be vertical. Now we have this will be 10 kilonewton. If you apply summation Fy0, then you will get this reaction as 10 kilonewton. So we have this reaction 10 kilonewton. And then this is joint B. So apply Fy0. So we will apply Fy0. And from this we will get 10. So this is FBA. FBA. And then we have 10 minus FBA equal to 0. And we will get FBA as we will get 10 kilonewton plus. So we have this as tensile. So we have 10 kilonewton tensile. We require these forces. Therefore, we have calculated all these forces. P forces. This is known as P forces. So we have this as P forces due to external loads. Now already you have studied this in mechanics of structure, unit number 6. So we have AC. So AC we have compression 12.5. Then we have CD. So CD tensile 10 and FAD we have 0. So we have this as option C. Already I am marked in NPTEL. So you are going to get this as blue. So then we have question 6. So suppose you have to find vertical deflection at point D. So we have to apply unit. Do not have any unit for this. These are known as K forces. So now we have to analyze again. We will get this as 0. So now we will go one by one joint. So this is 1. So automatically we will get this 0. Need not require to explain again. And then this becomes 1. So we have, this will be 0 and this will be 1. Then we have to consider joint C. Now we have this as 1. We are considering joint C. At C we have this as 1. Then we have force FCA. This angle we have 53.13. And then we will apply, this will be FCB. So apply effect y0. So from this we will get -1 minus FCA sine 53.13. So you will get FCA minus 1.25. Now apply fx0. So now we have minus FCA cos 53.53 plus FCB. And then FCA is minus. So we have this will be minus 1.25 into cos 53.13 goes on right, becomes plus. So this is minus, so compression, this is plus, so this is tension. So we have FCB. CB we have tension 0.75. And then we have FCA compression 1.25. Now this is 1. So in last I have explained this. So I will be with this 1. And automatically I will get this as 1. So asked we have that is AB. AB we have 1 tensile. So AB 1 tensile. BC 0.75 tensile. And CA my compression 1.25. So we have option is D. Then go to question. So this was joint B. Then go to question 7. What is the vertical displacement? So we have 4 members. I have not considered member AD because P is also 0 and K is 0. So now we will write forces. Now you know forces. So we have member length PK, PKL. We have AB. AB we have 2000, which is vertical. So if I will plot it, so I will plot on this side. And then if you will go with, we have this as AB, then we have this as C, and we have this as D. So we have AB 2 meter, P in AB we have 10, K we have 1, so PKL 20,000. Then AC we have 2500 because this is 2 meter, this is 1.5 meter. So it becomes 2.1, 12.5. That is P force. And minus 1.25 is K force. So we will get PKL plus again 39062.5. Then we have BC. BC we have 1500. In BC we have force that is 12.5 and 0.75. And from this we will get 14062.5. Then we have CD. CD we have 2000. Then we have 10. So actually we have this as 10. So this is 10, that will come later, and this is 1. And from this we will get that is 20,000 again. Same in A, B and C, D. Now summation PKL upon A. So if you will do this summation, then you will get PKL. So we will have this as 93125. Unit already I mentioned, it is kilonewton millimeter. And then this is 400 millimeter square. And this is kilonewton per millimeter square. So remaining is kilonewton. So this is kilonewton millimeter. Kilonewton gets cancelled millimeter. So we have 1.16 millimeters. And that answer we have, that is B. So likewise, we have to solve the problems that is of truss. So this is question number 5, 6, 7. So one that is remained, we will see in the next video. Thank you.